Let me show you how we can install Dynamic Island on Xiaomi 15 Ultra. So let's go to the Play Store and we're gonna search for an app that is called Dynamic Spot. There we go. This is the app that we can use in order to get the Dynamic Island on our Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Once we install it, press open. First we need to configure it a bit. So let me show you how to quickly do this. Let's press next. First we need to go through these instructions. So first let's press select apps, and we need to select apps that will be working with the Dynamic Island. Of course we can press all over here in order to select every app, but of course you can choose by yourself which apps should be integrated with the Dynamic Island. So I'm gonna select all and then let's go back. Now over here we need to grant notification access. So then here go to Dynamic Spot. Let's press allow notification access. Let's select that we are aware of possible risks. Let's wait 10 seconds for the OK button. There we go. Next we need to also give the permission to show on screen. So let's select the third option. And in this case we need to select probably that we want to set no restrictions for the battery saver. And let's go back. And then once again let's stop here. Press next. Go to downloaded apps, Dynamic Spot, and then let's select use Dynamic Spot. Once again, select that you are aware of possible risks. There we go. And let's wait a couple of seconds and let's press OK. And there we go, we can now press done. We have an ad, so we can close it here in the top right corner. And the Dynamic Spot is pretty much set up, but before we actually move on, there are two things that we can do. The first one is we can get another app that allows us to block system pop-ups. So if you experience system pop-ups as well, I'm not sure if this is actually the case in the case of this phone, but if you do, then you can get the pop-up control app from the App Store and then you can use it to block those pop-ups, apparently. I actually never used it. But the second thing is the appearance. So I'm gonna go to appearance in order to see how the Dynamic Island looks like, because we can customize it a little bit. So let's scroll down a little bit. Actually, no, not here. Let's go back. I assume it's gonna be in general. No, not here. It's gonna be position, right? So this is what I meant. So as you can see, if we go to position over here at the top, we have the preview of the Dynamic Island. So I want to actually change the position. Here we need to set it to the middle. So later on you can actually copy these values or adjust them for yourself as well. So the vertical position definitely needs to be a little bit lower. So I'm gonna try to match it with the camera. I would say this is good enough. Then we have the size. Maybe let's move it up a little bit again over here. There we go. And we can make it wider just a little bit and bigger vertically, I mean. And let's move it up one more time. And there we go. I think this should be good enough. So now with these options, of course, we also have edge writing and so on, so on. But I think that is good enough. So now whenever we receive a notification from the selected app, then we should be able to see the Dynamic Island. We can also go to notifications here in order to choose once again apps over here that should be synchronized. So if you want to customize it later in the future, then you can do this over here. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!